So I just left the shower. My hair is still wet. So I'm gonna blow dry it. Not doing anything differently to what I've done previously. So I'll link my video, the video of me blow drying and straightening my hair, so you can have a look at that. The only thing that I will be using differently is this product. This product is from a small company. They sent me these products a couple months ago actually, and I actually quite like them. Can't remember their names, but I'll keep the @ so you guys can check them out. I'll tag their website because I actually tried to find them on Instagram. I don't know if they've changed their name. But yeah, it's quite late, so I'm gonna whiz through this. And hopefully I have straight hair before I go to bed tonight. New day, new problem. Please tell me what's going on. What is going on? That's not water. What's that? So, I'm up. Had a crazy dream. Weird dream. Bizarre. I think I'm gonna do my makeup first. And then, yeah, do my makeup and then I'll get dressed. I already have a skincare video, so, I mean, it does need updating. But for now, I'm going to link my skincare video because this is not what it's about. It's not what this is about. This is just the prep. Let's hope I can actually get some content today. Ooh, don't know what the vibe's going to be. It's not a Christmas party, it's a Christmas dinner. Nice little jawline. I've got a toothache, well, a gum ache. It's because of my wisdom tooth. But yeah, we will get through the day. What is the time? 7:25. I'd like to leave in the next 20 minutes. I'm fasting this morning, so it's not like I have to worry about breakfast. I've already washed my face and brushed my teeth. my hair's already straight, so it might just be going over a few things. I believe that it's currently -7 degrees. Lows of -8, highs of -1, currently -7. Oh, my boiler only got fixed yesterday, and I'm pretty sure because the plumber changed the timer, or changed the time on the timer, so the time that the heating was supposed to come on was correct, but the boiler thought that it wasn't 7 a.m. basically, so the timer didn't come on. The house wasn't too cold. I got up out of bed, was able to turn the heating on, but the house is now warm, and it's a good thing I did turn the heating on. Like, everyone's talking about energy crisis, but first of all, I'm an asthmatic. Secondly, this house gets very hot and very cold. And thirdly, if you do not have your heating on during this cold winter, your pipes will freeze up. And I'm pretty sure that's the reason why I didn't have water. So yeah, anyways, it's like a short version of my skincare. Oopsie. So I got a call, so I didn't get to actually film my makeup at all. So I'll just show you real quickly what it's looking like. Nothing crazy, quite basic. I'm having my hair back because I work in a lab, so my hair needs to be up. But yeah, that is the look so far. I need to get ready because I'm actually running late now. Good morning. So I think we've discovered I'm terrible at vlogging, but I'm gonna get there. I am certainly gonna get there. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday was a working day. Yesterday was Friday, and I had my Christmas party. My sister called me when I was getting ready yesterday morning. Let me just put you down. Yeah, my sister called while I was getting ready yesterday morning, so I didn't end up like showing me getting ready much. So yeah, instead of doing a Christmas party / dinner vlog, it will be a weekend vlog, I guess. What have I got planned for today? I need to eat. I'm very hungry. I've already brushed my teeth. And I'm in the kitchen. And I am hungry. So I need to eat. All I can do is think about food right now. What else do I need to do? I need to eat. I want to look at getting a phone holder, dashboard phone holder for the car. I want to wash my car. I want to go to Boots and get some Bonjela because my gum is really sore at the moment. I need to do some laundry, some basic tidying up, change my bed sheets. Okay, so I've had breakfast. I really needed to rest after that. I've currently got a sore gum, so I need to get some Bonjela, and then all the other stuff that I listed earlier, basically, I need to do. So time is currently 11:18. I really need to get a move on it. This is just a test because I just got a car mount, and I don't even know how secure it is because I tried it a second ago and it was easy to pull off. So hopefully it's not easy to pull off and I just didn't put it on properly. I feel like my lips are dry. I literally put lip balm on like 2 minutes ago. Okay, yeah, let's hopefully, because I do this thing, right? I get something. There's no instructions on how to put it together, but I mean, it shouldn't be difficult. It's literally just a phone mount. I cracked it and I'm literally still sitting outside the range, so I could technically take it back. But I also ripped the box, so I like to keep the box of items just until like I'm fully sure that I want to keep it. But I don't even know if I'd be able to take this back even if I didn't like it. So I'm going to test it today. I've now got 2 car mounts. I've got one on my radiator, which is when like I'm legit just like needing the sat nav on my phone, Waze on my phone. And then this one is for car talks. So we'll see how it works. We'll see how good it is. But yeah, got the receipt and the box that I've ripped. Literally useless for this kind of stuff, but anyways, keep those for now. And on to the next thing. I need to get Bonjela because my jaw, my gum, it's not happening. Keep looking in the wrong place as well, so that's gonna be awkward, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, let's go. Okay, I am back from Morrison's. I got my Bonjela, I got some cleaning products. I looked at the seasonings, so I'll show you the seasonings. I might go with the Morrison's one just because the Sainsbury's ones that I got from my mum was specifically because her spice rack couldn't fit like the taller spices, but the Sainsbury's spices, like, it's an open top, a screw top, so you basically have to use a spoon to pour it out. While the Morrison's one has the little mesh thing, so like when it kind of limits what you're pouring out, so I think I prefer that. I got some mouthwash to help with my gums. My bag was heavy. What did I get? I got my coffees, so I will have 6 bottles by the end of this weekend because I'm gonna have a coffee now and I'll probably have a coffee later because I'm going to see my friend, and then I'll have a coffee tomorrow before Winter Wonderland. So I think this vlog will just include everything instead of doing like 2 separate vlogs for that. What else did I get? I got some orange juice and some apple mango juice. The apple mango juice is just to drink in the house, but the orange juice is so that I can make my smoothies, and then like as soon as I've made them I can bottle them up, put them in the fridge. So I just spent £20 to wash my car at Tesco. So yeah, apparently it's because of the salt on my car. They're having to use extra special products. The woman was like to me, yeah, if you see my car, she showed me a black Mercedes C-Class. She was like, oh, if you see my car, with all that's been going on, I've been driving up and down, I haven't even got anything on my car. It's because of this special solution. It's Tesco. It's Waves. I got my car washed at Waves for £20. I said to her, don't worry, I'm from around here, so if my car don't stay clean, I'll come find you. So I bought these lashes, right? I'm not really good with lashes. So I bought them from Lola's Lashes. I got the thicker ones because when I used to get my lashes done, I'd get the thicker ones, but actually I forgot that I got those because they'd fall out eventually. And because I'm on a budget for a while, I was like, okay, I'm not going to be getting those lashes for some time, so let me get these. I've got them and I'm like, I don't know if I like them. I mean, terrible lighting. Please excuse the lighting, it's not getting any better. I mean, they're not bad. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me who doesn't know what I'm doing, which is more than likely. I have no idea what I'm doing. I am winging it. I'm winging it like I'm winging everything else. So yeah, I guess it could be me, could be I. Pretty sure my neighbour does lashes. So maybe when I lift the budget or adjust my budget, I'll get it done with her, but I don't know. So that's they're really thick. Ooh, that's not bad. I don't know what's going on with my hair either. Where is that? What is that? Okay. But yeah, I mean, this lighting is switching like a madness. Let me go back around the corner because the lighting was a bit better around here. Okay. Yeah, so basically I got these lashes from Lola Lashes. Because of the postal strike, they came later than expected, but maybe that's a good thing because they're a bit thick to wear to a Christmas party. But I mean, they might be growing on me. Maybe it's because I haven't had lashes in a while. When I first got my lashes, this is how they looked as well. I don't know. I am not 100% like sure on them because they don't feel 100% secure. Again, it might just be me. Oh, it feels like it just moved. Did it move? It needs to be able to stand the weather, you know? See, already lifting. This is the one that was misbehaving earlier. I don't do glue and lashes because I'm terrible at lashes. So I thought magnetic ones, why not? I gave myself 10 minutes to play with these, but I'm pretty sure it's been like 30. So I'm gonna take these off now.